Elon Musk maintains a mix between curiosity and worry in his views on artificial intelligence. Musk's concerns about safety and regulatory supervision, despite the rapid advancement of AI, especially ChatGPT5, illustrate a complex interplay of optimism and caution that shapes the conversation about the changing AI world. Let's look into his concerns against ChatGPT. Elon Musk's steadfast support for AI regulation and safety stems from his long-standing worries about the dangers that come with it. He foresees a time when artificial intelligence systems may outperform human intelligence, which raises the fundamental question of who would be in charge of such highly developed beings. Musk is concerned about the possibility for AI to surpass human performance, as well as the potential for AI systems to make decisions on their own that might be against human ideals. Musk's historical worries are closely related to his conviction that unchecked AI might become a disruptive force. He has compared the creation of superintelligent AI to summoning the demon, to use his own words. Elon Musk is deeply concerned about the potential for artificial intelligence to be misused, particularly in the area of AI-generated content. His worries are not limited to the technology's technical capabilities. Musk worries that these same skills may be used to spread misinformation and control public debate. Even though AI models like ChatGPT5 represent remarkable breakthroughs in natural language creation, due to its pliability, AI-generated material runs the risk of being used to spread misinformation, sway public opinion, and foment unrest among communities. Musk is concerned that artificial intelligence-generated content may compound the problem of false information that currently plagues internet platforms. Malicious actors may use ChatGPT5's capacity to write coherent and contextually pertinent text to create deeply convincing fake news articles, social media posts, or even films. The credibility of digital media as well as the integrity of public dialogue are seriously threatened by the possibility of AI-driven disinformation campaigns. Elon Musk's interest in artificial intelligence goes beyond its technical capability because he is keenly aware of its ethical ramifications. The ubiquitous problem of bias inside AI systems is one of his main worries. Musk is aware that ChatGPT5 and other AI models are not immune to picking up the biases contained in their training data. These biases, which are derived from human-generated data, have the potential to unintentionally cause AI systems to reinforce pre-existing prejudices and societal imbalances. Musk's focus on eliminating bias in AI systems is a reflection of a larger ethical requirement. He's concerned that AI could be used to spread biased ideas or reinforce stereotypes. Elon Musk has concerns about artificial intelligence that go beyond just how much power people might have over AI systems. The understanding that AI models, like ChatGPT5, have developed to produce prose that is remarkably human-like in its coherence and contextuality is at the heart of his worries. The topic of how to distinguish between human and AI-generated information is complicated both ethically and practically by this capability. Musk's deep-seated concerns center on the idea that, if left uncontrolled, these AI systems could usher in a day when it would be impossible to distinguish between content produced by humans and that produced by AI. Musk's concern about a lack of control are based on the potential repercussions of artificial intelligence-generated content that passes for authentic human emotion. The ability of AI systems like ChatGPT5 to mimic human language and mental processes may have significant effects on the authenticity and trustworthiness of digital communication. Elon Musk's participation in OpenAI as a co-founder is supported by his fervent support for the security of artificial intelligence. His deep-seated worries about the track of AI growth and its potential effects on humans are what drive his commitment to this cause. Musk imagines a time when AI models such as ChatGPT5 and other cutting-edge systems could develop to a level of complexity that is beyond human comprehension and control. This anxiety is caused by the fear that as AI systems develop and become more complex, their decision-making processes could become muddled and produce unanticipated behaviors that could be dangerous to society. The idea of recursive self-improvement highlights Musk's worries about AI security. This refers to the notion that AI systems might exponentially increase in intelligence by repeatedly improving their own capabilities. Musk is concerned that while this possibility shows enormous promise, it may also open the door for AI to operate without human supervision. possibly leading to acts or results that their designers did not want. Musk prioritizes safety measures that provide strong fail-safes, rigorous testing, and transparent ways for understanding and preventing potential emergent behaviors out of worry that AI systems may develop beyond human control. Elon Musk's concerns regarding the direction of AI are rooted in the inherent unpredictability that comes with the development of AI systems. Musk is aware that systems like ChatGPT5 would serve as examples of the complexity and intricacy of AI models, add a degree of uncertainty to the results of those models. In contrast to conventional programming, where inputs produce specified outputs, AI models have a certain level of autonomy that may result in results that their designers did not explicitly expect. Musk's worries about unanticipated results are exacerbated by the possibility that AI systems could interpret inputs differently than what humans would anticipate. With its extensive training data and complex neural architecture, ChatGPT3 is able to produce content that seems coherent and contextually appropriate, but could still have undetected biases. The difficulty is in how difficult it is to predict the outcomes of AI's decision-making processes, which can entail complicated layers of computations. Elon Musk's position on artificial intelligence is supported by his opinion that governmental control is necessary to navigate the rapidly changing field of AI. Musk compares AI to fields like aviation and medicine, where strict rules are required because of safety concerns. Models like ChatGPT3, which have the ability to produce material that resembles that of humans, highlight the necessity of taking proactive steps to ensure responsible use and prevent harm. Musk's emphasis on regulation is more evident of his conviction that harnessing AI's revolutionary capacity requires a framework that places equal priority on social well-being and innovation. Musk's plea for governmental supervision demonstrates his awareness of the dangers that could arise from unrestricted AI research. He contends that regulatory organizations ought to be involved in determining the course of AI, much like they do in businesses with safety consequences. According to Musk, this strategy will not only address current issues but also open the door for responsible, long-term AI research that provides protection against unintended outcomes. Musk emphasizes the need for regulatory frameworks for AI in an effort to strike a balance between fostering innovation and reducing the hazards associated with its potentially transformational powers. Elon Musk is concerned about the possibility of a hasty march towards AI supremacy that disregards safety. He worries that the fierce worldwide rivalry to create the most cutting-edge AI could result in the disregard of essential safety measures. Musk is a supporter of cooperative international initiatives to create standards and laws that put safety before profit. His worries highlight the necessity to create an atmosphere where ethical AI development takes precedence over the unrestrained quest of technical superiority. Musk's plea for prevention reflects his determination to prevent a situation in which the need for AI development overrides worries about its secure application. He sees a world in which governments cooperate to manage the difficulties of AI, while ensuring that there are ethical and societal safeguards in place. In order to ensure that AI's potential benefits are achieved while avoiding potential problems, cooperation should be encouraged rather than a reckless race for AI supremacy, according to Musk's message. Elon Musk's support for ethical AI research stems from his preference for long-term security over short-term profit. He highlights the necessity of approaching AI breakthroughs cautiously, taking into account the potential repercussions of accelerating growth without adequate safeguards. Musk's position highlights his worries about the dangers of racing towards AI without the necessary ethical, governmental, and safety frameworks in place. Musk's appeal for ethical development is a reflection of his all-encompassing strategy, which goes beyond technical advancement to include the wider societal implications of AI. Elon Musk's viewpoint on AI emphasizes the need to strike a balance between innovation and regulation while recognizing the exciting potential of the technology. He acknowledges the revolutionary potential of AI, but urges caution to ensure responsible and secure development. Musk's position serves as a reminder that while advancing the frontiers of AI research is essential, it must be backed by legislative frameworks that place a premium on ethical and safety issues. Musk's appeal for moderation highlights his conviction that the development of AI could have unexpected repercussions if it's accelerated without check. He claims that it is essential to purposefully slow down the pace of AI development in order to make it possible to implement extensive controls that reduce hazards. Elon Musk's concerns regarding AI, notably ChatGPT3, are based on a variety of factors, including historical antecedents, worries about abuse, bias, and unpredictable results. Instead of harboring contempt, Musk wants to responsibly direct AI development. Finding a healthy balance between innovation and ensuring societal welfare must continue to be a top priority. It's critical for all stakeholders to participate in the comment section, share knowledge, and subscribe to stay updated on the changing AI narrative as the landscape for AI develops.